So anyways, here I is all nice and safe in my cozy bachelor pad where all the kids show up to get my autograph. Yep, I'm that big, bro. They're hungry again, Eddy! So feed them over there! So bro, as you can see, I'm a big shot now. No more beating up little Eddy. Hey, big brother? Rolf? Rolf? Did I forget to sign Rolf? There you go, Stretch.
Rolf's face, and you have stolen Rolf's tickets again? You're stealing Rolf's soul with your jukebox? Why, of course not, Rolf. What gave you that impression? Rolf will release his rage now!
Wait, we can work this out!
Return Rolf's tickets! I think you brothers got the picture, Eddy.